Yeah, what I think, everything is recorded, and it's a very friendly user interface. That's what I can say, because once you open it, you get the hang of it quickly. It's just self-explanatory, unlike other sophisticated websites. So I think this thing is it's gonna work and it's gonna improve. It's got a lot of potential. My name is Red. I'm from Mastermind Construction and Design.
I'm Angel, also from Mastermind Construction.
This event is, I think, is very helpful to the SMEs, small, medium enterprises, especially in construction and design. For us, what our company do is that we do fit outs, in interior renovations, and but we also do houses and small buildings. But since we don't have that kind of money to pay ITs for a website or systems, including a lot of staff, so this website, it helps a lot of construction companies for their job, an easier job to do.
And data management is much more simplified. We no longer have to open a lot of Excel files to overlook the project cost, the overall company progress. So with BUILK, it is very useful, and yes, it's very useful for both small and big companies.
I thank SEG for sponsoring this event, and I thank BUILK for this event and sharing to us their wonderful product. Unlike some websites that you have to pay, this one is free. So I recommend everyone to really use it to the maximum fullest. Yeah.